A warm welcome to all of you. Today in the Wazwan series, I am going to show you how Daniwal Korma is made. Daniwal means cilantro or coriander in Kashmiri. It's a luxurious korma bursting with refreshing flavors of coriander and yogurt. This video has been made with the help of Kashmiri Chefs or Wazas. So let's get started.
First thing is all the meat is boiled for some time and they remove the scum from this. By all the meat I mean they have taken almost all the meat for all the varieties that they are going to make, because for Wazwan big vessels are used to cook. So here you can see it's on flame. They will let it boil for some time and remove the scum from it, and then they will take it off the flame and let it cool down. Then they segregate the meat into different vessels for cooking. In Wazwan,
all the varieties require different kind of cut, and for the Daniwal Korma they have taken this kind of meat.
Meanwhile, the mutton stock was also cool, so they will strain it. They will strain all the mutton stock and then they can use it in all the dishes later.
Now they have taken the curd or yogurt and they are going to whisk it. Here you can see it's being whisked. In Wazwan, all the varieties are cooked on slow simmering fire of woods. You can see they are whisking it properly, and then they will put it on the flame. And the important thing for this is it seems like the way yakni is cooked, that it should not curdle. So here you can see, and now they will put it on the flame and they have put a little bit of water in it, and then they will keep it stirring till it gets its first boil. Here you can see it's on the flame. Here it has got its first boil. Now they will let it cook for some time. Now they will add the meat that they had kept aside for Daniwal Korma, that I have already shown you the kind of meat they have kept for Daniwal Korma. And some stock will be added to it for cooking. Now they have heated up the oil and they will be adding coriander to it, chopped coriander, and they will fry the coriander in this. And this is the ingredient that's used in Daniwal Korma. That's why the name Daniwal, because Daniwal means cilantro or coriander in Kashmiri. So here you can see they will fry it properly. Add a small portion of this oil and coriander mixture to the Daniwal Korma, and then they are adding the other spices: fennel seed powder, green cardamom, cloves, cinnamon stick, black cardamom pods, and cumin seeds. And then they will again put it on the flame and let it cook. Well, they have prepared the paste of shallots or prawn. They have fried it and then made it to a paste. Here you can see, and the Daniwal Korma is also boiling. So now they will be adding a spoon of the shallot paste to the Daniwal Korma. They will keep it on the flame only till it's cooked properly, and the mutton also should be soft and the gravy should thicken. Then once it turns soft, they will take it off the flame, and then they will be adding remaining coriander and oil mixture. Here you can see, and then the Daniwal Korma is ready. This oil and remaining coriander and oil mixture is added before serving, so that it gives that proper flavor. So here you can see Daniwal Korma is ready. Give it a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.